Hello students, let's start the new part of the lesson, hand labor and steam power. In this part, we shall going to discuss about the handmade production which was so popular, which was so important even after factories came in England. Because many people were not skillful, people were not resourceful or trained with the machines and technology. That is why 80% workers were working in the domestic units in the countryside. Therefore, most of the work in the Victorian Britain was carried at domestic units by hand. So how this handmade productions was preferred by many people, how this handmade production was important according to many people in the country, especially in England and other countries in the Europe. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about the different phases of the industrialization where handmade production was preferred very much. Now, as we know that industrial revolution took place in England. First industries came up in England, and when industrial revolution started, that time many factories and companies began spreading in the landscape of England and in other countries in Europe. The industrialization process was very rapid. There was rapid process of industrialization in different places. So when this news reached to different parts of the world, many people, the job seekers and the people who were waiting alternative source of income, the people who were wanted to work in the industries, when they heard this news, they began migrating from their own countries to England in search of better jobs, in search of better employment, to increase their standard of living and to be a great income source for their livelihood. That is why many people started coming from their own countries and settling down in the England. So in this way, this industrialization, rapid industrialization has stimulated the migration process in the England, and therefore there was no shortage of human labor. Laborers were abundantly available, and these laborers were working in different countries. That is why industrialists and merchants did not want to spend huge amount of money or capital in purchasing technology or machines, because there were no shortage of labor. Laborers were abundantly available. So as we know that when there were more laborers, the wages were low. The wages were low because laborers were more in number and they wanted to work anywhere, anytime. That is why wages were low, and these wages could not purchase many things, very few things they could purchase it by these low wages, and that is why in Victorian Britain there was no shortage of human labor, and most of the work was carried on seasonal basis. There was seasonality of work, means when there was work, the workers or laborers were hired, and when there was no work, means once the work is over, the laborers or workers were asked to leave the jobs, or they were terminated from their work, because at that time there was a stagnant period, and in this stagnant period workers were not needed. For example, there were three types of seasonal work. One, gas works and breweries were especially busy in cold months, and in these cold months industrialists needed extra hands. Another important thing is that bookbinders and caterers were also important to make books and printing material before the time of Christmas. And at the waterfront in the winter season, ships were spruced up or repaired before sending them for trading activities. So these three works were quite popular in seasonal period. Once again, listen: gas works and breweries, especially busy in cold months. Second, bookbinders and caterers were also busy before the time of Christmas. And third, ships were repaired in the winter season, that also gave a lot of hands, that also needed extra hands. So this seasonality of work was very popular because industrialists did not want to introduce machines that got rid of the human labor, but they wanted only handmade labors that can save their money and can give a lot of profit. So this seasonality of work was very important in this period, so many people were preferred handmade labor.